Meet the Huepar 98-foot self-leveling laser level with tripod, the ultimate tool for precision in home projects and renovations. With bright green beam technology, it projects horizontal and vertical cross lines with incredible accuracy up to 98 feet, perfect for picture hanging, tile work, wallpaper, doors, windows, and more. The self-leveling mode ensures straight lines every time, while manual mode lets you customize angles when needed. The included 25.6-inch aluminum tripod gives you adjustable height, 360-degree swivel, and quick setup with a standard 1/4 mount. Compact, shock-resistant, dust-proof, and water-resistant, this tool is built to handle real job sites and DIY projects alike. Backed by a 2-year warranty and reliable customer support, the Huepar Laser Level is the professional's choice for accuracy, visibility, and durability, all at an unbeatable value. Upgrade your toolbox today with Huepar.